Is your Windows 11 or 10 computer acting up? Don't worry. In this easy to follow tutorial, I will guide you through simple steps to troubleshoot and repair common issues. Whether you are facing slow performance, system errors, or other glitches, I have got you covered. Watch now to learn how to bring your PC back to peak condition without the hassle. For Windows 11 and Windows 10, Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. In Windows 11, go to System, then Recovery. In Windows 10, navigate to Update and Security, then Recovery. Step 3. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Step 4. In the Advanced Startup options, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Step 5. Choose Startup Repair to automatically fix issues. Step 6. If needed, use Command Prompt to run SFC scan now for system file repair. Step 7. Execute chkdsk/f in command prompt to check and repair disk errors. Step 8. Consider system restore from control panel for Windows 10. Step 9. Always backup data before attempting repairs. If issues persist, seek technical support.